Hello everyone. Hello my sisters. Today, I want to introduce my sisters to a t-shirt. A hand rolled broadly below the hybrid is rounded along the side and the neck is cut. Then I will sew this pattern with fabric. Silk cloth is all. Now we're going to go into this template design. Please remember to like to support the channel. If you love this style, you don't know how to sew it, then comment below. 10 comments, I will show you how. Sewing directly on the fabric. If you stay here for a long time, you will get a long shirt over your ass. The length of my shirt is 65. It depends on the height of each woman that you take for it to fit. Then I'll take the shoulder. Dividing by 2 is equal to 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. Take 16 down 4. Then I'll take her. Divide by 5 is equal to 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. If you lower your chest now, you will get it back with your chest. Divide by 5 and you add by 2. I'd have a bust size of 80 divided by 5 plus 2, which is 18. You measure from the road up here. It's down to 18 millimeters of gasoline. Stop the ruler perpendicular across. Then we'll have a lower waist. If I lower my waist here, I'll measure it on my body. But 5. Make a perpendicular line across. Then you'll take it across the chest. Divide by 4 sisters plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. It will be the same as the waist. Divide by 4 plus 2 64 divided by 4 plus 28. 22. And here you'll have your ass. Your ass is divided by 4. U plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 21. Take over 21st Street. After getting 3 points. Then I'll cross my chest. Let's go across the waist and across the ass. And then the word. Starting in this ass, you're up to 15 gas. Then starting from this road, the bow sisters come in 3.5. Then I started to bend from this road. You'll get the driving part of your shirt. This dress is going to be a pregnancy dress. And these numbers, they're going to be variable numbers. Okay, for example, my bust size is 80. In this way, we put this number in. But let's say the ass line. If I am 100, if we divide 4 plus 1, we get another number. You'll measure this differently. Or here. Waist 64. Waist here 64, but your waist 75. You change the number 7 to 5 here. This number will be different if you measure it here. Analog breast ring. Like your breasts 100. If you change 100, the number, this will change. You measure out another. And start from the beginning. At this point, it's the lower way. Each body height. It's going to have a different number of lower waist. This number is different as you measure it. The chest is also different. The neck is different and the shoulders are different. After you have done the part, live. Clear a perpendicular line. This shirt will be a roller sleeve. 2. Then you will Measure it from out here, girls. Measure it. Give me 7. She's here. It's going to be a little bit wider than the part. So from here you are 2.5 inches. 2.5 and you're down here, 8. From here, you split in 2. I'm connected to this gas road. Then I'll come up here. This part of the sisters up apart is a gasoline. Then I'll connect this dotted line. I'm going up here for 5 drinks. Then from here you cross it wide. Then you guys come up here and give me a piece. There's another gasoline. Let's connect this road. Over here, it's starting from the head and shoulders. Head and shoulders, you measure out. Give me 30 cubic meters of gasoline. Then we built a road across. Here you will measure a passage for me. It's equal to 14. This number will change as well. The height of each of you is 14. If you measure this number, you will measure it in the horizontal position of the part of my arm. Then we'll get the hand rolling for the part. The front part comes in, like this. Then after you've done it, the body first. Then we'll do it again for the body. And the guy before him will have Ben. I'll draw Ben later. Come up here and give me 2 parts. From here to 2. I said straight out. If it goes straight, you will connect this point in. Then our sleeve will be this way. Here's the back. And this neck, you're going down. Let's say I'm in 3. And from here, you'll draw. You will get the body of the shirt. And from out here, you measure in. Give me 8. We're going to pull a square ruler down here. This is 4. Here's a straight line down. And this line is 16 feet long. And then I'll draw the side here. And then after you've done it, we will have the whole thing. This dress, you will cut Arabic. And the Arab, please note that I am an Arab model. I don't have a seam yet. If you are lucky, you have to remove the seams. And I cut the back of the neck. The back of the ass. Here you will make adjustments. I'll cut it a little bit wider. I'll get the back of my ass. We'll cut out 1 more petrol. And this corner of the back. You guys, after cutting 1 more gasoline, we will also build the road. Same as the previous body, so that we can get the back of the body. After you do it, finish the body first, body later. After we cut it, you will Using this ruler, I painted a part of the armpit, of the back body. From here, you put it below. Let's draw the lid of the back. That's the hand. Let's go back. When you go back to the sign, you take it out. Then we're going to cut off this road. This road is long. One more, you will. Across the waist. Split in two. Here we'll get this part, which is the back body. I will give you a reason because this is double. And this is from top to bottom. Here you go. Give yourself 12 petro. And we're going to cut a road. The water droplet is here to install the lens. And this is going to be the lid on the back. Here's the back body. And you'll notice the underarm. His next body will be smaller. Front body is a gasoline. So that's when we reduce this. If you look in here, it's going to have a little bit of gasoline left over. I take the Ha sign and go back to this part. And this extra part of the armpit is the armpit. The back body will be smaller than the front. So here I cut up this is 7 glasses. And I'm back this way. You will get the back of the body. The rolling arm is here. It will have a shape like this. Then I'll take the towel first. Last time, you're going to cut this one down. I'll take the blue line for this part of the lid. I put it here so I can put my hands on it. I cut the curve. Cut the road. And the waist. From here you will walk the curve. It's on the body. So we'll get the sleeve here. You see the sleeve, it's curved. This will be the sleeve. This will be the sleeve. And this hand, you will put it in the body like that. It's going to be the hand-rolled part. After you have the front hand, the back hand, this hand will be the back. This is the 2 gas line of SAO. I just put this arm in here. You can see it's 2 parts of his hand, different from each other. Then these 2 hands are different. Then you're going to fold this arm in half. Then right here, you'll adjust a little for me. Here you guys split in half. I'm going to drop this armpit into a tank of gas and push this half blood on a gasoline. Then we'll get the hand. rolling assembly that it will slightly. It's spread out under that tail. So this is the previous model. This is the back model, and this is the sleeve. Oh, in this dress. I wish you success. If anything is unclear, comment below. I'll see and answer. Hello and see you later.